How to get verified on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to get verified on Instagram. So getting a verification badge is quite simple these days. So for that, all you have to do is just simply open the preferred account in which you want to get verified. And once you have logged in into your preferred account in which you want to get the blue tick or get verified, all you have to do is just simply click on the profile icon from the bottom right corner of the mobile screen and just go to the profile section. Over here, just simply click on the three dot menu icon from the top right corner of the mobile and just locate the account centers and tap on it. And over here, when you will scroll down under the account settings option, you will be able to see the option called Meta Verified. It is the last option. Just simply click on it and you can see that it says that you can get a blue tick and you can establish your presence and get access to exclusive benefits with Meta Verified. And you can also increase your account protections and you worry less about the impersonation with the proactive identified monitoring. And you can also enhance support. You can contact the help center via email or chat at the moment, and support is totally available and in all the languages or in same language. You can also go ahead and upgrade profile features, and there are some unique stickers that you can use to express yourselves with the sticker that are only available in Meta Verified subscription. So it is a subscription based model where you have to pay certain amount monthly basis in order to get the blue tick or the verified badge on your Instagram profile. So if you are interested in that, you can simply click on join waiting list, and as soon as you click on it, you will see that you are in the waiting list now. The countdown begins for a verified badge, which will enhance support, impersonation protection, and even more ways to grow your brands. You are expanding Meta Verified to new places at all times, so when it's available in your area, you will get to know. The time that you spend on waiting list may also depends on other factors such as how long your account has been active and whether you are eligible for that or not. So yeah, this is basically how you will be able to get verified on Instagram. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.